I want to introduce myself on this joyous and special occasion. My name is Robin from Raul with the Crew. So happy to be your master of ceremonies and disc jockey. Are you guys excited, by the way?
Yeah.
I have my back turned to this side of the room, so I want to make sure I address this side of the room as well. But without further ado, I'm so happy to be here celebrating with you at Julia and John's wedding. I want everybody right now to take a look to their left and to their right. If you can do that with me for just a moment. And give yourself a big hand. Out of all of our bride and groom's friends and family, you guys were fortunate enough to be the special ones invited to their celebration. So give yourself a big hand, and thank you so much for coming out to Rockport, Massachusetts. Now we've got a fired up bridal party. They're outside in the hallway awaiting your enthusiasm, awaiting your energy. But before we bring them in this afternoon, I just want to take a poll of the room. Married people, if the married people can wave their hands up high in the air. Married people, what I want you to do right now is think back to your wedding day, how excited you guys were on your wedding day. I wanted to show our bridal party as much enthusiasm as you would have wanted on your wedding day. Can you do that for me, married people? Please clap your hands. Now, I hear we have a handful of single people here this evening. Single people, hands up high in the air. Single people, what I want you to do is do what you do every Saturday evening when you go out to the bars and clubs and just act crazy. So, without further ado, I'm going to count to 3, see how much noise Rockport, Massachusetts can make. On the count of 3, I'd like you guys to scream at the top of your lungs. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Let's make some noise, folks. Before we introduce our bridal party, I just want to acknowledge a couple of special people in our room. When I announce your name, you could wave to let our crowd know where you are. Please put your hands together for the grandparents of the bride, Bernard and Julia Dahlhausen. I'd also like to acknowledge the grandparents of the groom, Russell and Beverly Hunt. We can't forget our lovely flower girls, Amira Cassidy and Victoria Wyatt. And a young gentleman that I met near the photo booth a little earlier, please put your hands together for our handsome ring bearer, Nicholas Wyatt. What's going to happen right now is I'm going to go back to the DJ booth, put on some motivational music. If we have all guests, please focus their attention to our bar stairwell. We are now about to begin bridal party introductions. Give yourself one more big round of applause for coming out on this lovely Saturday evening. Hallelujah, round of applause for the father of the groom, Wayne Caldwell, escorted by his sister, Leanne Hargraves. I'd like to introduce the parents of the bride, Frank and Patricia Novak. And at this time, we're going to introduce our bridal party. Please put your hands together for bridesmaid Ashley Warchowitz, escorted by usher Dave Whiteside. A big hand for Andy Jacobson, escorted by Kerry Carnevale. I'd like to introduce Ashley Hatchell and Katie Osiniak. And please put your hands together for Frankie Novak and Christine Dahlhausen. very special welcome for our maid of honor, Becca Perry, escorted by best man Mark Caldwell. And at this time, we'd like all guests to please rise. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, at this time, we'd like all guests to